Picture yourself in the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.